Our partnership with Keiser University allows nursing students to come into the facility outside of their didactics training to do on-the-job, real-life hospital training. Hi, I'm Andrea Augst, and I'm the HR Vice President at HCA Florida JFK North Hospital.
And I'm Dr. Deborah Perrin-Davis. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer at HCA Florida JFK North Hospital.
My name is Vanessa Joseph, and I'm at HCA Florida JFK North, and I'm the nurse educator.
I'm Keith Munyon. I am the clinical educator at HCA Florida JFK North Campus. Our alliance with Keiser University allows the nursing students to come to the hospital to learn the hands-on portion of the job and how to care for live patients.
They're well prepared and well versed, and we provide them with the confidence and tools they need to provide great quality of care to our patients.
In multiple departments such as behavioral health, emergency department, OR, med-surg, telemetry, and critical care.
The students will learn how to deal with patients. They'll understand that they're human beings, and they learn the compassion that's needed that you cannot learn in a classroom.
Typically, we try to accommodate 3 to 5 students per semester. If they accept a position with us in a full-time or part-time capacity, we have an abundance of resources available, including student loan repayment, education assistance, reimbursement, as well as other medical benefits and behavioral health and mental well-being benefits.
And we have a very robust new graduate program that will benefit them as they grow their careers.
There's always an opportunity to promote from within in terms of being a charge nurse and a nurse leadership role as well for our students.
They learn all the benefits that they would get if they become a full-time employee here, which is an excellent place to work as a nurse. It's challenging and rewarding.
The impact that this partnership has on our community is to assure that we are able to insert future nurses into Florida so we can provide great quality of care to our patients.
In our partnership with Keiser, I really do enjoy it, and I do find joy and pleasure in seeing the new nurses and seeing them develop over time and seeing them contribute to our community.
I love to participate in their post-conference at the end of the day to see the joy and the excitement that they had in the experiences that they had and listening to them talk about it with such passion.